Logic apps. Future stays on track.
Hi there! We are the team that worked on the first challenge. We took this challenge because it seemed to us interesting, quite real, and also because it fits nicely with the third challenge, which we also implemented. But there is a separate video about it. So remember what we had to implement. We needed to create something like a map of workplaces, in which we could reserve places, reserve equipment, request missing equipment, as well as provide feedback on equipment or a specific place. From an administrator's point of view, we need to be able to work with inventory in the warehouse, review feedbacks, and set up workplaces. To accomplish this task, we created a model-driven app as a main application, as it will be used inside the organization by employees. To draw a map of workplaces, we created a PCF control from scratch, which uses React Office Map library, as well as Web API, which accesses the database and fully interacts with our application. Well, that's enough words. Moving on to the most interesting part, the application. I pass the baton to my colleague Evgeny.
We start from Office Map page, where the employee can book the workplace, provide the feedback, and request new equipment. First, let's choose the date to check which places are available for booking. After that, on the map we can see free blue and busy gray places. If we hover the place, we can see the name of place, equipment, and who booked the place for this date if it is busy. When we click the place, we have three options. First, book the table if it is free place. Provide the feedback about the workplace, equipment, and so on, and request the equipment if you need something additional or change current. When you click on Book the table, we need to choose the person. You can choose yourself or your colleague, and date for booking of this seat. You will see approval of your booking. When you click on Provide the feedback, you need to type the message. Your feedback about the chosen workspace will be created in the system and administrator will review it. Also, we have option to request the equipment for the chosen place. You just need to select an item and create the request. Notifications about all requests will be sent to the user directly in model-driven application. From the message you can navigate to the records which are related to this notification. It is curious that we can manage this map through a separate entities in which we put down the coordinates and direction of the table. Also, we can manage reserved places, equipments, equipment requests, stock, and so on. That's all for this video, and Elizabeth, let's proceed.
Thank you, Evgeny, for the demo. To conclude the presentation, I would like to mention our next steps for the solution. We see improvements that can be done, for example, adding more flexibility for a workspace setup, like removing or adding places, changing the direction of tables. Another point is about adding more parameters for booking, such as specifying the total time of booking for part-time schedule, and set up approval processes for equipment movements. We also would like to expand notification options and, of course, create a scalable mobile application for employees. Thank you for your attention. Bye.